Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware capability. Make sure your router and phone list 5 GHz Wi-Fi or 5G NR in their specs. Next, update firmware and OS so you avoid compatibility bugs. Back up current router settings before changing anything. Then log into the router admin page at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Use the admin credentials. Once inside, locate wireless settings. Do not change random options. Focus on band, SSID, and security settings to begin the conversion. You should enable the 5 GHz band or the router's 5G NR Wi-Fi option and keep dual band on if some devices need to. 4 GHz. Once done, name the 5G network with a clear SSID. Append 5G so you can identify it. Make sure to pick WPA3 or WPA2/WPA3 mixed security and a strong passphrase. This protects speed and devices. Finally, choose a high throughput channel and set channel width to 40 or 80 MHz. Save and apply changes, then reboot the router. You now connect each device to the new 5G SSID, forget the old 4 GHz entry to prevent automatic switchbacks. After connecting, run a speed and latency test so you can confirm improved performance, record results versus the 4 GHz baseline. If a device won't connect, check physical distance, obstacles, and channel interference. Try changing channels or reducing channel width. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot devices and router first, then update firmware. If persistent, factory reset the router and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.